I'm doing a voiceover because it was so loud in Cowboy Stadium you couldn't hear me anyway, so I figured that I would just do it this way. So we got a Bryce Young there, Brian Urlacher. There's Jake Ferguson for the Cowboys, Daniel Carlson. We got C.J. Stroud. There's Adrian Peterson, Sauce Gardner. Just a really cool experience to be able to rip something. Russell Wilson. There's Harrison Butker on the silver. Got a green of Jamal Anderson. Aaron Jones, Vinny Testaverde. There's a rookie for the Cardinals. Will Levis, and there's a Xavier Worthy green emergent. And finish it off with a Michael Penix rookie card. All right, thanks for watching.